Hello everyone, this is Whiplash from Atom Productions and today I'll be showing you an awesome card trick. This is a card trick which you can do anywhere, anytime. So if you're a beginner, this is the right video you're looking. So first of all, you give the deck of the cards to the spectator and ask them to shuffle it. So the spectator will shuffle it. He or she will even give cuts. Okay, that's it. So then you show them that this deck contains normal cards. Spread through the deck. Every card is normal. Then you should ask the spectator to cut the cards any way they like. So imagine if they cut the cards here. So you say I can say that the fourth card of this deck will tell me the fourth card of this deck. So take the fourth card, 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth card of this deck and take a quick peek at it. And the fourth card of this deck has told me that the fourth card of this deck is the Queen of Diamonds. 2, 3, 4. It is the Queen of Diamonds. So once again, you ask the spectator to cut the cards. He or she cuts it anywhere he or she likes. Then you say that the fourth card of this deck is going to show you the fourth card of this deck. So you look at the fourth card of this deck. Take a quick peek at it. And the fourth card of this deck told me that the fourth card of this deck is the 6 of Diamonds. So 1, 2, 3, 4. The fourth card, and that's the 6 of Diamonds. Hello guys, and now for the reveal. So this is an awesome card trick. How I did that was, after I gave the cards to shuffle for the spectator, and I said that all the cards of this deck are normal, and while I said that, I looked at the fourth card of this deck from below, and the fourth card is the J of Spades. And when you do that fast, it looks like this. All the cards of this deck are normal, and you slide the deck so that the spectator won't doubt you. So after you do that, so cut the spectator will cut it. So you must remember the Jack of Spades over here, and you just say that the fourth. I will look at the fourth card of this deck, and this card is going to say that card to me. So you take a look at the fourth card, and that card is going to be that card is the 2 of Hearts. You shouldn't show this card to the spectator, so you must hide and see for yourself. So after, you must remember this 2 of Spades, and what you must say is, the card over here, for this card just told me that this card was the Jack of Spades. This card is the 2 of Hearts, so Jack of Spades. The fourth card over here is the Jack of Spades. Then you can shuffle the cards also. So you must keep this card, this deck, with the 2 of Hearts on top. So 2 of Hearts on top. Deck with 2 of Hearts on top, and do a fake shuffle. Means you can do the refill shuffle, and while you do that, you must leave more than 4 cards at the top, so that the 2 of Hearts stays on top. And now you again ask the spectator to cut the cards, and you look at the fourth card of this deck, and that card is the King of Hearts. So you keep it here. You must remember the King of Hearts, and you should say that the fourth card of this deck has told me the fourth card of this deck, that this card is the 2 of Hearts. And that's the 2 of Hearts. You can do this card trick once again, doing the fake shuffle, leaving more than 4 cards at the top so that the king of hearts would stay on the top. Cut it. Take a look at the 4th card. Don't show it to the spectator. Remember it and say that the 4th card of this deck has told me the 4th card of this deck, and that card is the king of hearts. So, do well, do good.